Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious pollo guisado. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 3 pounds of chicken, 3 carrots, 2 large potatoes, 1 red bell pepper, half of a small white onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 can of tomato sauce, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so first we're going to begin by prepping our chicken. So I already cleaned my chicken, and just make sure that you pat it dry, and we're just going to create 2 slits on our drumsticks. So just like that, and then transfer them to a bowl. And for my chicken breast, I'm going to create 3 slits just in the middle. Okay, so now we're going to mix all of our spices except for the chicken bouillon. So just mix them. And we're going to throw in half of our spice mix to our chicken. So just make sure that you rub it all on our chicken. Okay, so once our chicken is nice and coated with our spice mix, now we are ready to begin cooking. Okay, so we're going to grab our pan, we're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. So we're just going to wait for the oil to get hot. And once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to place our chicken in our oil. And we're going to stir our chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to flip our chickens over. And we're going to cook that side for another 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken from our pan. And we're just going to sear the rest of our chicken. Okay, so once we have all of our chicken ready, we're going to add another tablespoon of oil. Okay, so we're going to throw in our carrots, our potatoes, and red bell pepper. We're going to throw in the rest of our seasoning. So just mix it. And we're going to cook for 5 minutes. So just make sure that you're mixing constantly. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to add our onion and garlic. And now we're going to cook them for a couple minutes. Okay, so after the couple minutes, we're going to return our chicken back into our pot. Okay, and so now we're going to add our tomato sauce. And we're going to cover it with water. So about 4 cups. And we're just going to add our sazon along with chicken bouillon. So just mix it. And we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Alright guys, so once it comes to a simmer, we're going to try it for salt. And for me, it's perfect, but of course, if you need to add some more, go ahead and add some chicken bouillon. So now we're just going to add our 2 bay leaves. We're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. We're going to cover it and let that cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until our potatoes and carrots are nice and soft. Alright guys, so at 20 minutes, we're going to check our potatoes and make sure that everything is cooked. Let me tell you, that smells delicious. And yeah, the potatoes are done. You don't want to overcook them because otherwise they're going to fall apart. As you can see, the chicken is already fully cooked as well. So now we're just going to turn it off and we can serve our delicious pollo guisado. Okay, so we're just going to grab our chicken. And grab all of the vegetables. And I'm going to be serving it with white rice. My white rice here. And I'm just going to garnish it with some cilantro. And then just like that, we are ready to enjoy our delicious pollo guisado. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys, if you guys like my arroz con pollo, you're going to love this one. Seriously, super flavorful. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious, so flavorful. And you can add whatever vegetables you want. But for me, this is just seriously super delicious. And it's a little bit spicy, but of course, if you don't want it to be spicy, just don't add the chili flakes and use regular tomato sauce. But for me, it's seriously super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a delicious pollo guisado. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate the recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.